Okay, so we had two questions that I didn't have time to get to during class, so let's do them now. The first one was from section 5.4, and it was number 51, and it was an implicit differentiation problem. Find dy dx, find the derivative implicitly of this equation here. All right, so implicit differentiation, again, we just go term by term. All right, so derivative of x squared is, whoop, I have to do that, okay. The derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative of y to the third implicitly is going to be 3y squared dy dx. And the derivative of 2e to the 2y is going to be 2 times the derivative of e to the 2y, which means the derivative of the exponent. So the derivative of 2y with respect to x is going to be 2 dy dx e to the 2y. All right, and all we have to do now is solve for dy dx. Well, I guess I'm going to clean that up first. So we've got 2x, 3y squared dy dx equals 4 e to the 2y dy dx. All right, so I want to move this term over to the other side, so I'm going to minus that over. So that's going to leave me with 2x on this side. And I'm going to have 4e to the 2y dy dx plus, nope, minus 3y squared dy dx on this side. Factor out the dy dx. So 2x, take the dy dx out. And I've got 4e to the 2y minus 3y squared. And then just divide both sides by what's inside the parentheses. So we're going to have dy dx equals, we've got 2x on top and 4e to the 2y minus 3y squared on the bottom, and that is your derivative right there. Okay, so that was the first question. The second question was this one. This was just a first derivative of ln of x over x squared. All right, so this is a quotient. So that means I have to put it together with the quotient rule. So f prime, all right, so the quotient rule is the bottom times the derivative of the top. Oh, hang on. Try that again. The derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom squared. All right, so we have to do these little derivatives in here. The derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. So this becomes on top x squared times 1 over x minus ln of x times the derivative of x squared is 2x, and on the bottom x squared squared becomes x to the 4th. All right, now I can simplify in here. X squared over x is x. What am I doing? I'm way far ahead of where I'm talking. All right, so that's going to be x minus, I'm going to put the 2x in front, 2x ln of x all over x to the 4th. Now I have a common factor of x on the top, so I want to pull that out. 1 minus 2 ln of x because then I can reduce the x on top with the x to the fourth, and we end up with on top 1 minus 2 ln of x over x to the third. And that is your first derivative. Okay.